Tiny the elephant had a tickly nose.
He said,
Achoo.
His sneeze blew the monkeys off the tree.
Birds flew in circles, and a pile of leaves landed on his head.
Everyone laughed. Tiny said,
Oops, I didn't mean to make a leaf storm.
The animals gave him a flower to smell instead. No more sneezes.
Moral: accidents can be funny. Just say sorry and smile.